Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fayaz Ahmad Lon, teacher, High School, Gunjupatra. In today's virtual class, we are going to discuss the textual questions of the poem Above bin Adam, poem written by Leigh Hunt. This is the third poem of the English textbook of class 7th. We have already discussed the poem, and in today's virtual class, we will discuss the textual questions of the poem. But before going to the textual questions, let me quickly remind you the central idea or the summary of the poem. This poem Above bin Adam by Leigh Hunt, it focuses on an event in the life of a saint named Above bin Adam. It focuses on the life of an event in the life of this saint Above bin Adam. This Above bin Adam, he encounters an angel, who is writing a record of those who love God. In other words, we can say this Above bin Adam, he finds one night he finds an angel in his room, and he asked the angel what it was writing. The angel, replied that it was writing a record of those who love the God. So knowing his name or learning his name isn't on the list. Bin Adam instructs or requests the angel to mark him down as the one who loves his fellow man. So the next night the angel returns with a second time with a list of those who are blessed by the God. So when Ben Adam sees it, his name was at the top of the list this time. So this poem suggests that God favors those who love their fellow human beings. Now let's come to the textual questions of the poem. First question is, what was the angel writing in the book of gold? So angel जो है इस book of gold जो थी इसके पास उसमें क्या लिख रही थी? So the answer is, the angel was writing the names of the people who love God. उन लोगों के नाम लिख रही थी जो खुदा से मोहब्बत करते हैं. और इसको हम in other words we can write it like this: the angel was writing the names of those who have been honored by heaven for their love to God. या हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं: the angel was making a list of the people who love God. So this was the first question. Question number second, what did Abu ask the angel? The answer is, the Abu asked the angel what it was writing in the book of gold. So ये दो जगहों पर इसको पूछ रहा है अबू. एक जगह पर ये पूछ रहा है कि आप इस बुक में क्या लिख रही हो. दूसरी जगह पर ये पूछ रहा है कि मेरा नाम. जब एंजल इसको वापस रिप्लाई करती है कि मैं उन लोगों के नाम लिख रही हूँ जो खुदा से मोहब्बत करते हैं, तो अबू बिन आदम इसको दूसरी जगह पर ये पूछ रहा है कि इस वेदर हिज नेम इज़ इन द लिस्ट और नॉट. So you can write it like this: the Abu asked the angel that it was writing. The Abu asked the angel what it was writing in the book of gold. Yeah, the Abu asked the angel whether his name was in the list or not. So this was the second question. Third, why did Abu speak in low voice? जब when this Abu learned that his name is not in the list of those who love the God, so he spoke in a low voice to make a humble request to the angel to mark him as the one who loves his fellow man. So the answer is, the Abu spoke in a low voice in order to make a humble request to the angel to mark him as the one who loves his fellow man. इसके बाद फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय ग्रेट वेकनिंग लाइट? द ग्रेट वेकनिंग लाइट ऑन मेटामॉर्फिक लेवल मीन्स एनलाइटनमेंट. इट मीन्स एनलाइटनमेंट. सो द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, राइट T or F against each sentence in space provided if the statement is false. Write the correct answer against the space provided if it is true. Put a cross against the space. So we will first find out whether these are true or false, and in the next virtual class we will go for their correction. The room of Abu bin Adam is made beautiful by sunlight. ये बोल रहा है कि sunlight से इसका room beautiful हो गया था. It's wrong. It was made beautiful by the moonlight. So we can put it we can put a cross in it, and we can correct it like this: the room of the Abu bin Adam was made beautiful by moonlight. So first, second, the room of Abu bin Adam is compared with the blossoming rose. This is wrong, because the room of the Abu bin Adam was compared with the blossoming lily. So we can put a cross mark here, and we can correct it like this: the room of Abu is compared with a blossoming lily. The angel wrote the names of those whom the Lord loved the most. This is a wrong statement. We can put a cross here, and in our if we want to correct it, we can correct it like this: the angel wrote the names of those who love the God. So this statement is quite opposite to that. This statement says that it was writing the names of those who are loved by the God, but on contrary we can say असल में ये जो एंजल उन लोगों के नाम लिख रही थी जो खुदा से मोहब्बत करते हैं. So we can correct it like this: the angel wrote the names of those who love the Lord. इसके बाद fourth है: the name of Abu appeared at the bottom. So its name of the Abu was at the top, so we have to put a cross mark here, and we can correct it like this: the name of the Abu appeared at the top. Abu bin Adam was sleeping when the angel came to his room. So this statement is correct. We have to keep it at as it is. We have to put a tick mark here. So this was about the first two portions of the textual questions. In the next virtual class, we will discuss the third portion of the textual questions of this poem, Abu bin Adam, written by Lee Hart. So thank you.